Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. We love knowing the people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.